Meaning of 4-star.
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 4-star. 4-star generally refers to a rating system used to evaluate hotels, restaurants, and other establishments. A 4-star rating typically indicates a high level of quality, with luxurious amenities, excellent customer service, and a wide range of facilities. These establishments are often visited by affluent travelers or those seeking a premium experience. In order to achieve a 4-star rating, an establishment must meet strict criteria set by independent rating agencies. Overall, a 4-star rating signifies a superior level of comfort, style, and convenience that is highly sought after by discerning consumers.